Hi, this meditation is set with the intention of stepping into and experiencing the volume that is your body. So the intention is to use your visualization as a sense and as well combining it with your physical body senses. So working with the two of those at the same time is going to expand the connection and increase the relationship of being fully in your body and having a sense of the volume, which is adding into more of a three-dimensional expression, so that we are not choosing either to be in one place or the other, but we are fully existing. So you may have a little difficulties working in two places at once. This is like a muscle to strengthen, so continue practicing this. So just like all the meditations, you're going to find yourself in a comfortable place. This one might work easier seated because you're going to get a sense of the front and the back and the space in between. So find yourself in a seated position. Begin to deepen your breath. Begin to notice the movement of the body and the sensation of it, the front and the back. See if you can sink your breath deeper so that you get a sensation of the breath being at the bottom of your hips. And as you continue breathing, be mindful of focusing on one area specifically. Notice if you focus on your left or your right. So with this intention, we're including all of them. Being mindful that you exist in both your left and right sides. To do so, you can work with your peripheral sense, like encouraging the peripheral vision. So as you breathe in, see if you can expand your capacity to notice the left and right sides of your body at the same time. And as you breathe in, see if you can notice the front and the back at the same time. And as you breathe in, see if you can fill in the spaces in between. And spend a few moments doing so. Allowing your breath to become the sensory that shows you where you are, that brings you in a deeper connection with your body. Really strengthening the sensations on the inside. Whether you notice the breath tickle the inside of your throat. See if you can notice the breath fill up the inside of the lungs. So spend a few moments with this connection. Bringing in a sense of being inside your body. If you find this difficult, take a moment to breathe with a sense of sinking down in your body until you feel you have entered the fullness. And giving that time and space. And then taking a moment to sink back, all the way back, until you have entered the volume. And in doing that, go back into noticing the breath between the sides, from your left and to your right. And bring your awareness to the breath, to the front and the back body. And as you do so, become aware of the volume in between those and see if this is different. Now that you have brought yourself down and back in your body. See if the sensation has increased. So spend some time becoming aware of the breath as it expands out in both directions, focusing on the internal space. And now bring some breath in the volume, and instead of noticing it go out to the sides, notice it go down in all directions. And see this in your mind. Visualize the experience. So now bring yourself back into your center of your body. And notice when you do that, do you feel more in the front or more in the back or more in between? Can you find your sense existing at the center of you? Maybe down by the belly button, inside the chest. To do so, this is important to use visualization as well as your sensory to your body's sensations, as well as breath to increase the sense of where you are. And practice this connection, getting a sense of where you go with your thoughts. Noticing your sensations in the volume. So now, allow yourself to just let go of your breath. Let it just breathe in and out. And we're going to practice some visualization. So imagine that you were putting on a body suit, and that you were filling the inside of it. So you're bringing your volume to the shell. So imagine you see yourself step into the left leg. See yourself step into the right leg. See yourself pull up the right shoulder and slide your arm in the sleeve. See yourself pull up the left shoulder and slide your left arm into the sleeve. Now you see yourself pull the hood up over the back of your head and down the front so that it covers the full back and front of your head. And as you do so, imagine zipping that up from the front of you all the way down to your feet so that the suit is entirely wrapped around your body. And I want to get a sense of that person in the suit. Get a sense of feeling that volume. Get a sense of feeling that that is you. And if that suit is the body you stepped into. So get a sense of that suit on you, on your legs, on your torso, on your arms and upper body, on your head, as if you were feeling yourself, the you inside your skin. And spend some time here, noticing your sensations, noticing you existing. And as we end this guide, go back to either of these practices and continue building the connection of feeling your own existence.